Hello, everybody. Uh, Today, I'm going to talk about the impact of the lockdown that is announced yesterday by the CM of Maharashtra government. Uh, I would like to let you know that most of the auto companies like Mahindra and Mahindra, the entire Mahindra group, Endurance Technologies, Bharat Forge, Bajaj Auto, Tata Motors, they are having a good presence of production through their manufacturing plants in Maharashtra, and that is expected to impact the production because even though the production of these vehicles may go on, the government has given a green signal for that, but labor issues can trouble them because we know that labor from UP, Bihar, etc. have started running out of the state because of the fear of the second wave of the pandemic. So in view of that, I know that the sales will be equally impacted for all the OEMs in this particular fortnight, but the production impact will be higher for the companies like which I mentioned earlier. And as we observed last year also, in this period, the period of lockdown, which was for about 1.5 months initially, there was a lot of impact on the auto companies. There were zero sales reported in the month of April, after which after the lockdown opened, there was a very strong bounce back in the auto sales. That can happen this year as well, but this particular fortnight of lockdown is we may observe similar kind of numbers, but not up to what we had observed last year. So based on that, we'll be seeing a good YOY growth, but there is definitely a halt or a stop or a pause, I would say, to the strong run that was going on for the auto companies over the past few months. So month on month, definitely we'll be seeing a decline, but more issues will be there on the production side, and the companies which I mentioned earlier, they will be expected to report lower numbers and than the companies which are not having plants in Maharashtra, like Hero, Ashok Leyland, Maruti, etc. These companies will be faring better than Bajaj, Mahindra, Tata Motors, etc. So these companies are not looking bad on FY22 or FY23. So definitely they will be giving you an opportunity to get into the stock at lower levels. So just keep an eye on these, and in the coming fortnight, we may see some sort of correction in them, and also the numbers of April which will be reported on the 1st of May. We may see some sort of deceleration on a month-on-month basis. So keep an eye on these particular stops that I have mentioned.